Here's how to clean your Apple AirPods. Let's start with the AirPods themselves. Wipe them clean with a soft, lint-free cloth slightly dampened with water. Then, use another soft, lint-free cloth to dry it. Make sure not to get any liquid in the openings. You can carefully dig out earwax with the pointed end of a dental floss stick. This worked well for us, but be careful if you're using a sharp object. Apple suggests you use a dry cotton swab instead. For AirPod Pro users, you can clean the ear tips by rinsing them in water. Just make sure you don't rinse with soap or other household cleaners. Wipe the AirPods with a soft, dry, lint-free cloth to dry, and make sure they are completely dry before reattaching them. To reattach, align the oval shapes on the AirPod with the ear tips. To clean the case, use a soft, dry, lint-free cloth for the outside. If necessary, dampen the cloth with alcohol. Make sure not to get any liquid in the charging ports. You can remove debris from the lightning connector with a dry, clean, soft bristled brush. If the inside of the cover needs to be cleaned, you can use a soft toothbrush dipped in alcohol. Do not clean the case with any abrasive materials. Now your AirPods and its case are as good as new.